Rolex. Open it. That's a Cartier, baby. Cartier Panther for my baby.
And it's beautiful.
Good. Most beautiful. Try it on. Solid yellow gold. 25K.
Oops.
US.
There we go, that's the right way.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
You like it?
Wait, I'm trying to get it on.
Get it on, skinny
Got it
girl.
on. There we go. Ooh.
Yes, baby.
I love it.
Good.
It feels good.
Like it, baby?
Love it.
Good. It's a Cartier.
CDA.
Cartier meets
Bang,
Rolex.
bang.
Oh, can remember when I see them in a baby.
Oh.
Nice. Done?
Oh.
I'm out. But they are Mystic tie. And this is the first ever signed buckle. A straight vibes rum. With Kartel. You saw live see it, the man named Kartel and me named Kartel. So you know so the rum start well. Done? I'm out. As a nation, look on that one here. Tough. See your stylist there?
Cool.
Oh. See the next one there? You see it? A joke there, that thing. Nah, I mean? What the sun on my nose? I'm out.